Hello friends, I am going to tell you how we can transfer photos and videos from an iPhone to PC. First of all, you need USB charging cable. Cable should be original. Connect your phone to a PC with the USB cable and turn your phone on and unlock it. Otherwise, your PC cannot recognize the iPhone. If the iPhone is locked, then pop-up message shows up. Just press trust. After that, you go to your search bar and type photo. So open the photo app from your PC. Okay, then this kind of screen will show up. Then here on the right top corner, here this is the import. When you click here, then you click from a connected device. Looking for new photos and videos? Okay. Now here, import items. You can adjust here where your imported item will go. You can where you want to save it. I save it here, pictures. You can change your destination if you want. Okay, you want to change, you can change it wherever you like. Okay, so okay, this one, if you want to import all the photos and videos, just click here. Or if you want to select one by one, you can select one by one. So it is also this button. If you want to delete after importing, you want to delete that picture or video, you can do that. So okay, I am selecting this picture and then you just click here. Then it come import completed. Okay, one has been successfully imported into photos and saved to picture folder. Okay, then you can find here, if you go and you can find your, so mine is here, pictures, mine will, I imported this one. Okay, this is a picture. Alright, so that's all, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.